In answer to Honourable Biman's question, Honourable Speaker, for the last 2 years, a total of 77 agricultural leases were renewed in Seaqaqa area. 55 of these leases were cane leases and 22 for non-cane leases. So in total, 77 leases were assisted under the Seabull subsidy grant. Apart from the above, Mr. Speaker, TLTB is currently processing 96 cane leases that will be issued in 2021 and will also qualify to be assisted under Seabull subsidy. For the 22 non-cane leases, Mr. Speaker, 18 were agricultural leases for root crops and vegetable farming, and 4 cattle and grazing leases. So 22 non-cane leases and 55 were cane leases. In a total of 77, for the last 2 years, a total of 77 agricultural leases were renewed in Seaqaqa area. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Prime Minister.